Oh mate, turn and right, fuck that. Should we try it? Looks like a bad idea. There's only one way to find out. Woo! This is sloppy like a mold jalopy. Whoa, back wheel. Come on, back wheel. Oh, I'm back in this track. No choice. Right, I'm riding this track. I've got no choice. Oh. Whoa! Whoa, mate. I may drop it a lot, but that was a good recovery for me. Front wheel went then. Let's go. Oosa! I almost went down again. Why? Because I'm terrible at riding a bike. Oh, where's this go? This goes on for a while, I think. Oh, I'll come out to a road up here. It's okay. I don't even know if that's a road, to be fair. I've got to get up on that left side there, that's for sure. Bully my way up onto the left side. Oh, I'm right in the middle. Got no choice. Oh, go! Oh! Perfectly normal sounds to make when you're riding a motorbike. Oh, I bet my breaths are deep. Woohoo! Okay, that bit was fun. Flipping heck. Oh. Oh. Back on the road. That bit was gnarly as F. Oh, I'm so bad at this. But I love it!